up? Ngayon ay dito kami sa Gothenburg Airport and we're going to
Manchester, let's go.
yeah, let's go. After Manchester, saan tayo punta?
London.
London Bridge is falling down. Lumabas. Dito kami sa airport ngayon. Pupunta kami ng Manchester para maglaro ng basketball. Let's go, Mavs! Shout out kay Mavs! Tama na.
Trust, I have trust. Middle name is trust, never been too much. Guess it was luck. Everything I learned, everything you want, everything you want. I'm feeling down, stay in bed, can't prepare.
Punta kami ng Manchester for 2 days, no?
2 days.
2 days tournament, 2 days. After 2 days, Monday, ay magta-train tayo, mag-train or bus?
Depende sa
So,
anong meron.
yeah. Yun nga, umili kami for train or bus. Punta kami ng London at iikot kami doon. So, watch out. Watch out, Mark.
Watch out for us, watch out.
Yeah. Punta namin yung Queen doon. Kasi binigyan siya invitation. We're here at
Sino sige magbalik?
Noto si Patrick. We are here at
Walok ba?
where?
Baka jug ba?
Where?
Sige magbilan man din.
Hindi na to sa Patrick eh.
Tas airport.
Airport. Saan tayo pupunta? Pupunta tayo ng Manchester.
Manchester.
Dawa yung babae. Kindatan mo sa babae.
Manchester.
You can cheer me up if it matters. Nothing ever really matters. Nothing ever. Wait, pause. I can move on. I could get off. You could get on.
Sa muros ko ako eh. Anong masasabi mo, James? Excited ka? Excited?
Excited going to London Bridge is falling down.
Pagkatuloy dito yung sa baka mo. Gawin ang sasig na balik ka.
Yo!
I don't have much.
Lang kami saglit. Punta kami London ng punta kami ng Manchester for 2 days basketball. After punta kami ng London at kaya kami Jollibee pala, Jollibee.
Excited ka na dyan?
Excited na ako sa Chicken Joy. Buti pang chicken, masaya. Joy. Yan yung mga walang tulog, excited sa Manchester. Katulog ka, Mark?
Walang tulog? Paano mo? Tulog?
Ako, 3 oras lang natulog ko. Ikaw, Trek? Tulog ka, Trek?
4 na oras lang.
4 na oras.
Ano ginawa niyo kagabi?
Wala, basketball.
Ano ka diba?
Wala. Laro basketball, shooting. Para, baka makashoot. Kaya, kakain lang kami Yan.
Trust, I have trust. Middle name is trust, never been too much. Guess it was luck. Everything I learned, everything you want, everything you want. I'm feeling down, stay in bed, can't prepare for the shakiness. You twist my arm, what I miss. We should do everything.
Oh guys. Hi.
Smooth ka ni James. Di madag one thing. Hindi siya lagi, grabe. Ano James? Sana ba tayo?
Sorry? English yun.
Imong ka ng ayaw kinahit tao. Gamay lang. Ay, nagsabi.
What's up, mate?
Ano ba?
Dito na kami.
Oh.
Excuse me. Dito na kami sa London.
Di dyan madungog, di madungog. Kami nagsural ba nga? Dito na kami, naghintay sa amin pagkain.
Si Mike lang.
Say, ikaw may bida din. Nakawaw.
Trust, I have trust. Middle name is trust, never been too much. Guess it was love.
Asa yung Mike?
Really naman ang bubugo.
Pareho pala kami.
Always impatient, shake my head, shake my head.
Hi, we are here at London, an airport with Mackay.
Hello.
What can you say about London?
Bakit ganang gawas dito?
Nahawa na ko sa salita dito. Hindi ko na maintindihan ba't ganito sinasabi ko. Di ba pare ko?
Sana tayo ngayon, James?
Dito tayo sa London.
Excited ka na makita si Dominic, si idol natin.
Excited na
Idol
makita
ng
si-
bayan.
Excited daw makita si Dominic Idol at saka si shoutout kay Joseph Pisot.
Settling down.
Tayo mo lagi ng
That's the
bugla.
sound. You can cheer me up if it matters.
1 hour flight
Nothing
is
ever
going
really
to-
matters. Nothing ever. Wait, pause. I can move on. I can get off. You can get on. I went ahead and said to him, always impatient. Shake my head, shake my head. Let's just clear the air. I try when I can to listen close. No one ever listens close. I just wanna crash when I get home. When we get home, can we both just crash?
Sana tayo.
We are here in Manchester. Dito tayo, mag-stay. Mag-stay sa Manchester. Ayun, may buko. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito na kami sa Manchester at mag-check-in na kami. It's 6 o'clock in the evening.
1:30.
So, nakakapagod yung biyahe. So, here we go. Sago.
Wow.
Kami sa fourth floor.
Oo lang, isa.
Shake my head, shake my head. Let's just clear the air.
Wow.
Does it work